Hello, we're coming to you today from Anvil Analytics and Insights, and today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to apply a custom dimension to your Google Analytics account. So to start with, we're going to come down here to Admin. In the middle column here, in the Property column, we're going to come all the way down to Custom Definitions and choose Custom Dimensions. We're going to add a new custom dimension. And for this example, we're going to go ahead and add in session ID. So we're just going to give it the name session ID. We're going to change the scope to hit because all of the hits within this session are going to have the same session ID. And then we're going to create. I'm not going to click create because we already have this added into our Google Analytics account. But for you guys, go ahead and click create. And then we're going to come here, find session ID, and remember the index number. So for this one, it's 2. Then we're going to come over to Google Tag Manager, and we're going to create a variable to capture that data that we want the custom dimension to collect. So for this one, it's providing every hit coming into Google Analytics with a session ID, and it's appending that to it. So once we have that, go ahead and save that variable, and then we're going to come into our Google Analytics setting variable. Now, a lot of you, whenever you click into here, you may see something that looks a little bit more like this. If this is what you're seeing, you're going to come down here to More Settings, Custom Dimensions, and then that index number that we remembered from Google Analytics, you're going to go ahead and put that in here. So 2. And then you're going to choose the variable that you created a little earlier to capture whatever you're capturing in this custom dimension. So for us, it was session ID. So now we have our index added, we've added what it actually needs to be collecting. And so from here, we would click save. Like I said, we've already added this, so I'm going to go ahead and just cancel out of it. But definitely hit save. And then from there, whenever you add any event or page view tag for Google Analytics, make sure you're using this Google Analytics session variable. It's going to be so valuable to you, and that's the only way that you can really get that data flowing in for every hit, every page view, everything in Google Analytics. You want to use that settings variable. So with that said, that's really all there is to adding a custom dimension in Google Analytics. If you want to keep receiving tips and tricks about Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or even Google Data Studio, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter at the bottom of the page.